So I was editing a commercial the other day, and I realized that I'm getting a donk. I mean, look at that. After zooming in and investigating to make sure what I saw was real, I decided it was time to start exercising again. I used to run all the time, but now I only own work boots. So I had to get myself some nice running shoes, and I did just that. I got myself a pair of purple and gold basketball shoes from ASHION, and I couldn't be happier. They come shipped to your door nicely wrapped to make sure they arrive without any scuffs or marks. Cut them open and the gold immediately begins to shine. That shiny gold emblem on the tongue will leave you feeling like you're walking on money. I also like the color and design of the shoes. Our local high school's colors are purple and gold, so I feel a little bit of town pride wearing them. Not only that, but the bottoms are really grippy, and the inside have a nice and squishy insole that feels good on the feet. I wear a size 10 shoe, and the size 10s in these fit me snugly, so the sizing is accurate too. I laced them up and took them out on the bike path to test. Walking around feels so comfortable on the feet. It has a great padding to it, and the anti-slip bottoms give a good grip to the ground. Our husky loves to pull, so I need to be able to stop and grip the ground when I need to. My other shoes will slide when they pull, but these grab the ground and hold to it. Then, my husky and I went for a run, and honestly, they felt great. I haven't ran in a while, but these gave me confidence and had me feeling great out there running in full stride. Even after a mile, my feet were feeling great. We just cruised on down the trail and they helped me spring right along. Before this, the only shoes I had to run in were my Crocs in sports mode. But now I have some stylish and cool looking running shoes that feel great and will allow me to exercise more frequently without getting sore feet. So if you're looking for a good pair of shoes to run and play sports in, these shoes might just be for you. If you'd like to get a pair for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm heading back out for another run. See ya!